Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. Just an after work ride, a few miles, nothing serious, just to spin those legs. Deer over there in that field. It's watching me. It's watching me closely. It's a bit of a poodle midweek ride to get out in a bit of fresh air. I've been wanting to ride my bike since the last ride, what was Monday. I've just been putting it off, thinking don't want to get too carried away, you know, take a few days break. Thursday night ride, that's what this is. I'm going to make sure I get out riding this weekend, so I didn't want to put too much effort in. As you can probably tell, sun is very low in the sky. It is 25 past 6. Well, I'm not looking forward to those clocks going forward, back even. Oh yeah, what it would be. Oh yeah, I'm not a big fan of the clocks going back. So anyway, what can I tell you what's coming up in the channel over the next few weeks? It's hard to say really, because I'm hoping to do bikepacking this weekend. It won't be big miles, that kind of bikepacking, but wild camping more than anything. I'm going to set up camp somewhere, haven't decided where yet, but it won't be the opposite side of Lincolnshire or anything like that. But just, you know, small miles. And if it is long distance, it will be plenty of stops, not hard effort. I've got absolutely zero in my calendar right now. No events, no audax, no sportives, no weekend plans or anything like that. I'm just keeping it that way for some while. Just, you know, don't commit to anything big. Absolutely stunning evening. It's great just to get out for an hour. One thing for sure, it is very still this evening, and doesn't happen very often here in the Isle of Axholme. There's usually some wind to contend with. Twenty to 7. Pretty much dark by 7:30 at the moment. Beautiful evening. Absolutely stunning. It just seems like the last few days it's just kept raining and raining though, so it's nice just being able to get out an hour, a bit two on the bike and just, well, an hour and just soak up the sun's rays, because it's not that cold, even though I do have some arm warmers in my back pocket just in case it gets a little bit nippy. So from here I'm going to head over to Kroll and retake the canal path back home. I think maybe about 15 kilometres in total. So I can tell you what I need to be keeping a close eye on over the next few weeks is the entries for Badlands. Hoping to you know, get chosen for that. I believe it's balloted, so you have to cross your fingers and hope it's not so, you know, oversubscribed. Apart from that, I'm also looking forward to a game, an online game to finish downloading. Baldur's Gate 3 came out for Mac today. So at home, the game's currently downloading. I think it's 80 gig or 160, I can't remember which it is, but it's a massive game. It's not one of these online games which go on forever, it's a single player game, so eventually it'll come to an end. If I choose an online game, I'll get really sucked in, which is no bad thing when the weather's shit, like in November, December, January. Well, not this time of year. Still lots of great weather to be had in October and what remains of September. Well, that's just about it for this ride. I'm on to the final side of the rectangle, ducking under trees. Can't believe it's so still. Looks like it's going to be beautiful red sky. Wow. When I get back to full health, I'm going to do some nighttime riding, I think. I've often avoided it, but I really need to just get out there and soak it up. I've done enough nighttime riding over the years. As long as you've got good lights, nothing to worry about really. Just have to choose wisely where you ride. I mean, this is okay, nice smooth-ish surface. But yeah, riding proper off-road, it's a different kettle of fish. I've done little bits of it, but I do need to take advantage of the shorter days in training for Badlands. If I want to do well at Badlands, I need to keep on riding through the night. If I'm there for the adventure, then you know I can sleep at night and not keep going, but either way it's all good training. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's, if you're watching at work, maybe it's passing a little bit of time. If you like watching videos like this, why not check out this one in the corner of the screen from earlier this year when I took on the Calder Divide. I tell you now, that was quite an adventure. It's ridiculously hard to ride. If you don't believe me, go check it out in the corner, the Calder Divide. But that's for this video. I'm going to leave you right here. If you've got any comments, questions, head on down below. Quick update, I will be confirming a date for the gravel ride. The local gravel ride. It will be towards the end of October. I'll give you an exact date in the next couple of days. For me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.